Hello everybody, welcome to the channel, and today we continue on the part number 5 of my restoration SEC Mercedes. In the previous videos you see just trying to finalize the vinyl wrap, and finally I did. It's looked very good compared with the condition that it was. So now is the time to put all assembly all the parts, tail lights, bumpers, corner lights, all the things that we're supposed to put in the back, and then after that we continue with the interior. So I hope you enjoy the video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's start to work. All right, so this is how it looks. Of course, it's still need to finish. I have to put that trim that unfortunately I don't have it right here. I have it in the lot, and of course it's not done because this one is still showing here. This is the cover for the vinyl protection. So I don't remove it yet because I'm still working in the car. So once everything is completely done, I'm gonna take it off, and it's gonna look very good, very, very good. This is how it start getting look better. Of course, I have to redone the bumpers. I don't know yet. This car used to have a plastic dip, flat black plastic dip. In some spot they still have it, so I have to take it off. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. I guess the bumpers, the paint in the bumper is still good, so I just need to buff a little bit. I'm not gonna leave the way it is, but I don't know yet. Maybe if it doesn't look too good, I'm gonna grab it, and maybe this I will wrap on chrome. I don't know, maybe black. So, but overall it doesn't look too bad. I mean, compare, if you see the previous videos, it's actually look very nice. And of course, once I remove the plastic cover for the vinyl, it's gonna look very good. It's very shiny. You can see all these marks because it's the protector. When I installed the vinyl, I put those aftermarket lights. I'm not sure if I like much, but of course it's better than the original ones. It was really bad, very old, all dried out. This one, I got the new gasket. Of course, it's aftermarket. I think it's not fit perfect, but it's still good. It's still very good. So it's a very nice car. It's gonna turn really good. So of course, the next is gonna be the interior. So I'm gonna clean it up. It's actually the fog lights over there, and I really want to change those wheels and lower the suspension a little bit. So we'll see how it's gonna look. I'm gonna decide what I'm gonna do with the bumpers, wrap it, or just see what's the condition. And of course, I have to put the trims, mirrors, but I don't have the trims. I don't have it with me right now, so that's why I couldn't put it. So that's why I guess it's gonna be done for today. And the next video, hopefully we got everything done. Peel the cover on the vinyl, so we can see the final job. Now it's really shiny. This thing is really shiny. Very nice, and it still have the plastic cover. So once I take the cover out, I'm sure it's gonna look better, a lot better. So it's really nice, really nice. All right, so thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Stay tuned for the next video, and how this is the progress on the SEC. So I got a brand new interior in a color black, and I got a new dash right there with a brand new interior wood. So it's gonna look great. It's gonna be very nice once everything is done. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but it will change a lot if we compare with what it was before. But anyways, thank you very much again. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.